Okay, so I'm reading this book, Remember Me. I just wanted to reduce the amount of time I'm spending for mobile phones. So, what I thought was I go for reading books, but this is not my new habit. It is one of my old habit long back during my colleges. I used to read book, but maybe after that I became busy. I don't know. I didn't get time to do that, but now I maintain a discipline to read book regularly every day. So this is the thing, and this book suggested by my sister Farhana, and the book called Remember Me. uh, I'll tell you something what about what is interesting about this book. Maybe you can try reading this book as well. This book is based on a true story. This Remember Me brings Mary Broad vividly to life in this moving story of a woman triumphing against overwhelming odds. Mary, a Cornish mariner's daughter, makes the biggest mistake of her short life when she steals a silk hat. Convicted and sentenced to be transported to Australia, she endures horrific conditions aboard ship before landing in a brutal and barbaric country. It will take all her courage just to survive. Yes, it will take only her courage just to survive. Not for anything, just to survive. But Mary is also determined to make something of herself in this rugged man world, and she dreams that one day she will find a way of crossing the cruel seas that lie between her and home, based on a true story. This is, yeah. So I found a quote in this book, it is about, like, I'll spell the quote now. Characters is it impossible not to care about. Oh my god. This is a nice book. Main thing is, like, she made a small mistake, okay, and now the book is like she'll never see home again, and very interesting story. I'm about to complete this book, and gives me like uh, it gives me like, see, it's quite motivating and inspiring. And see, this girl Mary made a mistake, and now she'll never see home again. This is the concept, and let's see. I'm enjoying this book. I'm reading now chapter 19, so I'm enjoying this book. Said before, you can try reading this book as well, and especially for women, it will give you more courage. A girl sentenced to death in jail for lifetime, how she is building courage within herself. So yeah, it matters a lot. So definitely I suggest women can read this book, and it will definitely build courage in you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video.